This new phishing scam arrived in my inbox this morning. It looks innocent enough. Get instant access to your 3 credit scores. Couple of things to watch out for and learn. Number 1, I didn't ask for it. And number 2, this doesn't look right. Confirmation, receipt, KBURR. What the heck is that? Next thing to look at is where it's coming from. And that's certainly not free credit score. And up on top, there's a link. It says your 2024 TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit scores. There's some place to click. But if you hover your mouse over that link and then look down to the bottom left, look at that web address this takes you to. That's not Experian. Again, this is also a link. Takes you that same erroneous web address. Everything on here, as soon as you hover your mouse over it, the bottom left will show you the address that this goes to. That certainly doesn't lead you to freecreditscore.com. Big sign here says click here to start. Again, not a website I would ever visit. So when you get something, even if it's in the inbox, which means the spam filter didn't catch this one, I will be reporting this as spam. And that's very simple. Up on top, report spam. Once I hit that, it will alert Google that this never should have gotten to my inbox. And if enough of us do it, Google will then automatically put this into the spam folder. It will never get to your inbox. So after you've determined this is not something that ever should have come to you in the first place, and you're smart enough not to fall for it, report it as spam, which is what I'll do right now. That's the end of that one. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and listening.